The SUPIREO RC Dog Toy, manufactured by Shantou Chenghai District Lingke Toys Factory, is an interactive remote-controlled dog with a lovable look and actions that mimics a real dog, making it an ideal robotic partner for children. It is a smart and programmable toy with 12 remote control functions, allowing children to use their imagination and creativity to instruct the dog to perform various tasks, such as dancing, yoga, moving forward, and even adjusting its volume. The toy dog is capable of following and imitating 8 different animal forms and sounds, creating a fun and educational experience for children as they play and learn together. Equipped with a durable and rechargeable battery, the robot dog provides 70 to 80 minutes of fun after a 2-hour charge, contributing to its energy-efficient design. With its smooth and round body, no sharp corners, and flexible joints, the toy is safe for children and can mimic a variety of movements smoothly, making it an excellent gift for occasions like birthdays or Christmas. With a high review score of 4.5 and 508 reviews, the SUPIREO RC Dog Toy has proven to be a popular choice among customers, selling 200 units monthly.